What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a cleaning motivation video. I'm going to be deep cleaning my fridge, getting rid of any old food and giving it a good wipe down inside, as well as doing a little bit of meal prep because I have an abundance of zucchini right now, you guys, and I don't want it to go to waste. So I'm going to be chopping those up and freezing them, but you guys will see that later on in the video. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope that you would consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out everything from the fridge and I'm going to put it on the counter so I can see what's all in there. Now I'm gonna go through each container and pretty much just throw away any old food. Next, I'm going to take out the milk and the juice that are on the top shelf so I can give those shelves a good wipe down. And I'm just using some multi-purpose cleaning spray to do that. Before I go through the items on the fridge door, I'm going to chop up these zucchinis so I can freeze them so they don't go bad, because honestly I can't possibly eat this many zucchinis before they go bad. So, and unfortunately I'm the only one in my house who eats zucchinis. My kids don't like them, my husband doesn't like them, so I'm the only one and I don't want them to go to waste. So I'm going to chop those up as well. Now I'm going to wash out the drawers in the fridge. So I'm just going to use some soap and some hot water and a little bit of multi-purpose cleaning spray like I've been using. And I'm going to wash those and then put those back in the fridge. door of the fridge. So I'm just taking out all the condiments and things so I can wash out the drawers on the fridge, and I'm just washing those drawers with some soap and hot water as well. Now I'm going to give the fridge door a good wipe down using that same multi-purpose cleaning spray. Now it's time to wash the dishes that are in the sink, and I'm just going to wash those and place those in the dishwasher. And now to finish, I'm just going to wipe down the counters and the table. So I hope you guys enjoyed this motivational cleaning video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
1, 2, 3.